So I went to Lowe's today to pick up the last remaining vinyl, hopefully, that we need to finish our vinyl project. There's 2 boxes, and this long 12-foot box hangs over the cab, obviously. So I leave out a parking lot at Lowe's there, and I had it tied down in the back with the strap there, thinking that'll be plenty. It won't need anything else. So I get out on the road. I get up about 50 miles an hour, and that box acts like a sail and starts to lift. Well, it didn't go anywhere, but that required an extra strap through the cab, wrapped around the box. It's always something. Nice wind noise, huh? I guess that's where the wind is catching that strap and creating a resonance. Redneck engineering at its best. Just gotta love it. That noise still cracks me up. It's like a wind tunnel experiment. Makes different resonant sounds at different speeds, obviously. It doesn't stop vibrating until you're almost at a dead stop. Oh, this is the north end of Georgetown, by the way. The bustling metropolis that is Georgetown, Kentucky. We got plenty of traffic. We got plenty of banks, too. This town is bank poor. There's our courthouse. Spent a bunch of money fixing it up. About 3 years ago, apparently we got a federal grant to repave. This is Broadway. It's also US 25, so it's a federal highway. We got a federal grant to offset the cost to repave this all through town. And I suspect part of that federal grant money came with the proviso that we had to put bike lanes in the road, which now took us back down to just 3 lanes of traffic. 2 lanes in each direction and a turning lane. So, like with anything, if you accept money from somebody, there's usually going to be strings attached. And we still got wind noise from the... It still cracks me up that that strap is vibrating like that. Gotta laugh about something. Federal government comes in and pares down your lanes of traffic from 5 to 3. Might as well laugh at resonating strap across the roof of your truck. It's killing me. Managed to get it home. Vibration, resonance, and all.